A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, Mini GT. I got me two cars. We have the Audi RS6 Avant in black with a roof box. And we got this beauty here, the Toyota GR Supra with a Liberty Walk body kit in a very, very cool Liqui Moly livery. I would say we put this one here in the background and we start with the Audi. As you can see, this is number 257. Nothing really exciting about the packaging besides this Audi Sport logo. So let's get the knife and cut it open. I'm always telling this, if you are not familiar with Mini GT, they come with these cardboard boxes. In my opinion, a very nice and very clever packaging. Yeah, if you can, if you are able to get the car out of it. But here it comes. Wow, what a beauty. And as you can see, inside of this cardboard box, there's this plastic protection piece, and you always can store the car back into the packaging if you don't have your car on display. And always put the plastic piece back inside the packaging if you own more than one of these cars. If you own a bunch of these and you're mixing up these plastic pieces, it's very hard to find the right one for the right car, because they are all specially made for the cars they are protecting. Wow, this is just fantastic. To be honest, I hesitated a little to buy this one because I thought, I don't know, it's kind of boring, just a black car. I don't know how good you can see it on video, but this is just perfect. For sure, this glossy black. You always see some fingerprints. There are some, I would say there are some metal flakes in the paint. Oh, this is just fantastic. So, let's start at the back. So we have the Audi rings and a license plate with the Audi Sport logo, and it says RS6. We have lensed taillights, painted exhaust, some details here on the back. If you're not familiar with Mini GT, they always come with a metal body, metal base, and rubber tires. These are kind of hard rubber. Sometimes the base says what model or what car it is. Sometimes it doesn't say. I don't know in which case they do it. Oh, here. Oh, this is the first time I see that the name of the car is cast into the base. This is interesting. Never seen this before. Anyways, the base normally is secured with screws. Let's take a look at the front. Yeah, this car is just a beauty in reality, and also as a diecast model in 1/64 scale. For sure, we got some lensed headlights, the Audi rings on the big the huge grille. Here on the side, it's hard to see. It says RS6. Normally, these cars from Mini GT have rubber mirrors, and this one has also. This is cool because they don't break that easily. And of course, we have this roof box. I always think it's cool if these cars have some kind of accessory. And also these rims are just fantastic. And look in the center, there is also the Audi badge, the rings. This is really, really cool car. Way cooler than I thought it would be. Yeah, nothing spectacular about the interior. It's just black. And normally these Mini GTs are very good rollers. And the Audi is also a good roller. Fantastic. Really, really cool car. So let's park the Audi in the background. And let's go on with the Toyota GR Supra from Liberty Walk. This is number 290. This is also really, really cool. So normally the most important thing when you buy these Mini GT cars, normally they have just a perfect quality. I just own one of these Mini GTs. I think I got, I don't know, 25 or 30 Mini GT cars so far. And only one has a little flaw. The other ones are just fantastic. And so this one seems also to be perfect. Let's start at the front. Lens headlights for sure. Got a lot of details. The Toyota badge here on the hood. It says Liberty Walk on the splitter. Here it says Toyo tires. Then of course this Liqui Moly logo on the door. Black 6 spokes. Also some details on the wing. It says Liberty Walk. So let's go to the back. And the license plate says Liberty Walk. Down here on the wing also Liberty Walk. And also on the windshield. So as you can see, this guy here is a right-hand drive. Also has these mirrors are very, very soft, as you can see. The ones from the Audi are much harder. This one also has a metal base, but as you can see, there's no name of the car on it. So that's why I was surprised when I saw the base of the Audi. I don't know why they do it sometimes and sometimes they don't. No idea. So let's check out if this one is a roller. Yes. So another 2 cars to add to my collection. Perfect as always. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say once again, thanks for watching, happy hunting, see you next time, bye.